What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI. We are back with another video. So today we're working with UNice Hair, and if you guys read by the title, we are working with their pre-everything unit. This is a 13x4, and one thing that I really love about this unit is this drawstring, y'all, in the back. When I tell y'all this drawstring, your wig is not going anywhere with this drawstring. Like, this is the first time I've seen like a good drawstring on like a regular glueless wig, and like it wasn't going anywhere. So this unit is pre-everything, so it's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-curl, basically, like, and it has like the little tapes on the side of the ears. Now I have no glue on this unit, and I just wanted to install it like this so you guys can see exactly how the unit looks when you just prop it on your head. And as you guys can see, the makeup, everything, like everything is not the makeup, the lace, I'm talking about the makeup, the lace, everything is blending. But I did go ahead and add a little bit of makeup on those glue ear tabs just to make sure that everything is blended. But as you guys can see, this hair already looks like it's ready for me to walk out the door. But you know, I be extra, y'all. I be wanting to, you know, an extra little security. But you guys can see this is how the unit looks like right on the head, and it looks so cute. Like, I was loving it so much. Like, and I'm gonna show you guys some different styles along the way as well. And to ensure that I have like a little bit of a hold, I just spray a little bit of my like my little lace adhesive spray, and I sprayed a little on my finger and just dipped it on the lace just so I can have like just a little bit more security. But the hair is very secure without it as well, especially with that drawstring. So you guys do not have to worry about having to do this. But y'all know I really be loving my like extra security. Like, I don't be wanting nothing to go nowhere. But I really should have never did this, because when I had that drawstring, like, I had the drawstring to the tightest it could go, and my head started hurting. So be careful with that, because your drawstring can be a little bit too tight if you like make it too tight. So just like I said before, be careful with that. But I just sprayed a little bit of that black spray just to perfect that part, and then I am going through and perfecting like some of the curls in the front, just so I can have like a finished type look for y'all, and I wasn't just going off of the curls that they left me on the unit, which were very beautiful, very cute. So you really only have to add just a couple curls to the hair just to, like, you know, make it look like, you know, you just walked out the salon, even though they already did everything for you. which is very, very cutesy. I really love the way this came out. It was so cute, and this is the first look that you can achieve with this unit, and this unit is in 24 inches if I didn't say that before. But now this is the second look that you can achieve with this unit. I did go ahead and add a little bit of baby hair just so you guys can see like the different things that you can do with this unit. So first things first, I was trying to do like a little half up, half down so you guys could see how that looks, and then I did some side part curls as well, and you can do a free part with this as well. So first, I'm just doing like my little half up, half down, just so you guys can see how it look. And I'm taking my wax stick and just going all over my hair and separating how much hair I want for the half up, half down. And then we're gonna go in with our hot comb and our little like got to be spray and stuff like that, just to make sure everything is slick. Now at first I thought that this was gonna be my initial style that I was doing for the day, this second day, but the side part curls ended up eating down, so I end up doing those. So this is just me just showing y'all that this hair can go in a half up, half down if you would like to do it. And now I'm just showing you guys, you know, me putting the hair into the side part and just getting everything perfected. Now for the side part, I did like a kind of like free side part, so it's kind of like giving free part. So I was going in with my hot comb and just making sure I had everything looking really good and laying down very, very flat before I went ahead and started my curls. And for the curls, I did the same thing that I did for the middle part style in the beginning. I just went ahead and used my same T3 1-inch curling iron and curled away from my face on both sides so that the curls can look very, very cute. this is the final result for these curls. Everything looks so cute and so cute. I really love the way these curls came out, and if you do want your curls to lay a certain type of way, don't be afraid to pull out that hot comb and center your bang and stuff however you want it, because like the free part was kind of like throwing me off, and at first I thought it didn't look that cute, but it definitely gave. So UNice Hair definitely did their thing with this hair. I showed you guys all the styles that you can achieve with this unit. So if you guys are interested in it, don't forget to check that link in the description box down below and shop UNice Hair. And I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out.